Hello, Elrose here, and today we're on Kizi, and we're playing the Slitherio, aka Happy Snakes. And I was actually doing another video, but then there was a little problem, and I had to restart again, and it's really now I'm really big in the game, and that's really good, because I'm already on level 2, but like, the size is the most important thing, because then you can eat bigger snakes. And I actually stole a bunch of other people's, like, other people killed other people. Oh my. What? Okay, yep. Just normal day on the farm. Okay. I'm just mad at that person. Ugh, stupid ad. Okay, so me, and I'm going to eat this just so that I can get much bigger. I'm still on level 2. I thought that you, like, go down, you lose your score after you die. That's fine with me if I'm still alive. No, I'm going to have to power out of that because I know what that guy was trying to do. Okay, so I'm number 3 for how big, for the biggest person. And I want to be number 1. Wow, he probably beat me. So I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm now in number 2 because okay, I need to find. I wish this stupid ad would like just leave. Okay, that's good. Now I can see where everybody else is. Ah, where's the biggest person in the game? Like, I can see that mine. Oh, they're over here. The other people are over here. Oh, that was close. Wow, that was fun. 2 people just up and hit me. Like, yeah. What? I'm in 3rd? How even? Oh, okay, him. I get that now. Are you like, okay, yep, he's the biggest person in the game. If I would kill him and eat him, that would be fun. Okay, he obviously knows what I'm up to and is trying to run away. And of course I'm doing what he thinks I'm doing, because what do you do when you're like, you just want to be the biggest person in the game, and like, oh wow, he just got knocked down to 4th. Oh wow, and that person's probably bigger than me. Oh yeah, I haven't done any loop-de-loops around people, and then I could have snacks. Yummy! Geez, not too many people are playing. Ah, now that guy joined. Oh my god. I just fed like an army. Let's try that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times again. Oh wow, unicorn power. Ah, die. Oh no. She must be sad. Sad. Oh, stupid ads. You make it stronger. comes to me. Life is just some wisdom, let it be. Oh, great. Yep, I almost died. That's fun. I like it when you just find the little XP that somebody else drops. And you just... Wait. I'm, like, off the scoreboard. Well, that's sad. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm not the best at this game. Where am I on the scoreboard? Oh, I'm probably not on the scoreboard, because, like, duh, I'm not big. Oh, yes! That is awesome! Ooh, big XP. Whoa! Okay, I thought that was Carcass for a second. XP, I should say. The moment it all comes to me. Oh, yes, that is fair and square. Mine! Excuse me. Rude. Rude much. So I forgot how fun YouTubing is, but now I remember, and it's really fun. I'm sorry I've come so long, and the sun will come home again, and the sun will be the end, and we'll do the last part, and that's the way it'll have to go. That's the end of what I even know. I'm not joking, that's all I can relate with. I can shake it right off, that's the right way to go. Right way to go. I'm in 8th place for how big. Voila! Oh, yes. Okay, no. No! Did I just pass that up? Oh, that was stupid. Oh, yes. That was... No. No. Oh, I need to keep my mouse on the board. Oh, yes. Yes, mine's precious. Yes, I'm on level 3, finally. And yet now I'm big enough to, like, circle people. That's fun. But not big circles, only small circles. Oh, this person looks nice. But when you do the whole, like, circling people, great. That person was nice. I know how it feels like to be circled, and it's always, like, constantly, like, I don't want to get circled. And it's like, I don't want to get circled. But you always die because you're never able to, like, take them. But sometimes they die. And that's really fun. Ugh, stupid ass. Oh, why does it need to be so much ads? No. No. That's all I say to my friends. Sometimes my friends try to talk to me in gym, and I'm like, no! Recess! Oh, yummy! XP. Oh, wow. There's more of it! I want more of it! Oh, great. That was nice of him. I almost just smashed into him. No. Why are ads like the end of me? Like, that is just not very good. Ads. Not a good thing. Whoa, what's that? What does that mean? Oh, yes. That is awesome. Yes. Best superpower on Earth. How often do I, like, lose it now? Aw, that was fast. Oh, what? No! Ugh, that was so sad. Please, no ads. No ads. No. Oh, great. Okay, yeah, just fine. Yeah, just go ahead and do what I told you not to do. Ugh, swishy. Oh no, that wasn't very fun. Saucy. Oh, yes. If I had that magnet ability, I would just have eaten all of that right in front of that, like, person. That would be sad for him, but I just want to become the longest person on the board. Oh, great. That's fun. Comes to me. Oh, great. Yep, that's just fine. Of course. Oh, finally. No ads. The moment it all comes to me. It's. Oh, great, it's a magnet. Oh, that's a perfect person, to be honest. Wee. Using speed is such a bad thing to do. I'm stupid. I shouldn't have gone over here. Fix it! Oh, no. Stupid. No, no. These odds are going to be the end of me. Oh, no. His lollipop broke. Oh, no. That's sad. Oh, no. Oh, yes, yes, yes. What? That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair. Do you ever come to me? Why can't I just find some, like, social? Yes. Why? Ugh, great.